What's up, Herbs? Hope you all had a great weekend, and so it's Monday, starts a new week, and hopefully starts a great trading week. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. So I'm gonna just do a quick overview of the daily and the lower time frames on Bitcoin to show you guys what I'm looking at and what my plans are for this coming week. So obviously, as you can see here, we got reacted by this white line here, the 200 simple moving average on the daily. We failed to close above this this level right here, the 50% retracement of the October monthly candle, this China pump right here. So what I'm looking for here is right now this area between the 8.8k and 8.5k is pretty much a no trade zone for me. I'm gonna start getting interested in taking a potential long down here in the 8.2k area, confluent with the RLC of the October candle. It's also confluent with the yellow 21 exponential on the daily. And if you look here on the 4 hour, we haven't really tested this level yet. We tested it as support here, here, and here, and then we broke above. So our next test of this area, the 8.2 area, the midpoint of the RLC, the 0.702, next time we come down to test it is actually going to be the first retest. And I want to see a rounded retest on a daily. So I don't want price to, come down to this level straight away. I want to see something like this, right? And then come down. I want to see a clear rounded retest on a daily. Because like Kong pointed out in the Nest Club chat last night, if we do get a move like this candle right here, I don't really think it's gonna hold. Then I think we're going down to down into previous range, and if we start closing inside the previous range, and that's this range right here between 6.7 and the area around 7.8k. So this is the range I'm talking about, right? And if we start trading inside this range here, well, then I anticipate a move down to range EQ, and if we lose that level, we're probably going to move down to range low at around 6.7k, and that's really not an area you want to be in, because that will mean that you will lose the 200 simple on the 4 hour, you will lose the 21 EMA on the daily and the 55 EMA on the daily, and you will also lose the 21 EMA on the weekly and the 55 EMA on the weekly. So from a moving day average, man, that's not right. A moving average, yeah. So from a moving average perspective, we don't want to start trading down in this last range. If this price action is bullish, we want to see a bounce in the reload zone close above the 8.8 level for a move up towards the 9.5k to 9.6 or 9.7k area. That's probably gonna get met with a lot of resistance. We are probably going to see a reaction in this area right here. But so my plan, again, to sum it all up, I want to see a bounce in this area. If we come down and test this area in the next couple of days, this coming week, I want to see a bounce here. So I'm gonna probably layer some bids in this area for a potential bounce. If on leverage, it need to be a low leverage play, obviously, because the stop loss will be probably, you know, somewhere in this area right here, below this daily wick right here, which is probably a Williams fractal too. Yeah, right here. So below this wick here needs to be a stop loss, and that's it's a 6% move, so obviously should use low leverage or a small position or whatever. But yeah, that's mainly my my plan going forward. So the bearish case for Bitcoin, trade back into previous range. That would be very bearish in my opinion. The bullish case for Bitcoin, bounce here and start trading above this area. That would be very bullish for a move up here. And if we actually start trading above this area, I'm bullish for a move, well, basically back to, you know, 14k. You know, we're probably gonna meet some resistance at the 10k area, obviously. Then we have the 10.1 area. Then next resistance is gonna be 12k. Then we have 12.9, 13k, and finally we got this level right here, the high of our last bull market, which is 14k. And yeah, as you can see, you just use these tops right here as resistance. 16, 17, then finally 20. So if we start trading above this area right here, I'm obviously very bullish for the future of Bitcoin. If we start trading down here, I'm short to medium term bearish, and if we close down below the midpoint of RLC, I'm going to be very high time frame bearish. And actually looking at the weekly right now, I'm currently high time frame bearish, but medium to short term I'm bullish for a bounce down here. But you know, looking at this price action right here, we are in a weekly downtrend, so you know, it's pretty bearish price action right now. So anyway, I don't really have a lot of time right now, so it's just a very quick update. Hopefully you guys find this stuff interesting. I will try to make a longer, more detailed video for you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna take a look at all time frames from the monthly down to the hourly and everything in between, and try to give you guys a very good overview of my bias right now from a moving averages perspective, because I really like looking at the moving averages for Bitcoin, like this one right here. You got the weekly, and you know, being above the yellow 21 exponential on the weekly is generally a very good thing, and being, you know, trading below is generally a very bad thing, and that's that's basically how the moving averages work. But yeah, so tomorrow I'll make a longer video, a more detailed explanation for you guys. So take care guys, and yeah, be safe out there, use a stop loss or whatever. Take care.